Hello everyone, Open Source AI Hackathon. So, in this video, I will be answering for the following question. The first, why we are hosting a hackathon, why you should participate in, what to build, how to register for the hackathon, where to start. Well, we just registered, so what to do next? What are the requirements? How about prizes? Anything we should focus on building? Do we have any resources that helps to easily build things and ship things? Are there any tutorials? Who are the judges? Will be fair enough as other hackathons. Okay, I'm stuck, I'm nervous, I'm tired, whatever. Who gonna help me? Any support from developers? Whom to DM in case issues or whatever? Motivate us into words. The end. Okay, what's up everyone? So welcome to the Open Source AI Hackathon. To be honest, it's my first ever hackathon where I'm organizer, not a hacker. But I will try to hack also, like with you guys. If you really want it to happen, just let me know. Just ping me on the Discord. So link to the Discord is attached below in the description. Just let me know if you wanna hack with me because I love hackathons so much. Crazy. Okay, so far, I have participated in over 70 hackathons and built 60 projects and failed 60 times. It's crazy. Okay, I don't really care about outcome or results, honestly. Okay, whether I am a winner or loser. It's true, it's true. Okay, I just enjoy the process itself. It's so fun to build things in a short period of time. Time is limited, really limited. 2 days, 3 days, 1 day even. Okay, use any tool that I am comfortable with. Use AI stuff, generate code, just chill. Well, okay, met with different people and get nervous after hours of miscommunication and doubts a lot. Sound works, sound not. Just playing around. There's only one guy who works always. Okay. Well, okay. But anyway, it's so cringe and worth remembering times. So it's worse. It's worse. Okay. Let's back to our hackathon. I believe it will be the best and unique and super cool hackathon in history. In history. Okay, because it's open source. It's AI powered. AI powered. AI powered. It's fun. Chill. Anyone can join. You can build anything, whatever, from simple, customizable chill guy application, web application, to something bigger, AI code editor, kind of peer AI, and apply to YC, went to 25 page and got accepted. Isn't it cool? It's cool. But before, how to register the... Okay, it's really simple. It's really simple. Just go to Google and type chillguy.devpost.com. You are on the hackathon page. Here you can see a bit about description and etc. Okay, just hit to join hackathon and register. Sign up with Google, takes a little time. Okay, here, just select, for example, you are a designer or you are data science, maybe. What language? I use Python. You can just Python or ChatGPT. Okay, and hit enter and then select some. For example, DevOps, cybersecurity, database, or whatever. And then select the location. For example, San Francisco. And done. You can select also time zone. It's not necessary. It's not required. Don't lose all time. Okay, occupation. If you are a student, just select the student, or you are professional, just select the professional. Current student level, college, high school, middle school, college, for example. School name. You can select anything. For example, Berkeley. Where's the Berkeley? University of Berkeley. Graduation. Let's select June 2025. Cool. You can also put your birth month. It's not really necessary. Just click to continue and done. It's super easy. Now you need to register for the hackathon. Enter a name. For example, Abraham. You have a teammate or you want solo. For example, you work in solo. And who told you about open source AI hackathon? Who told you? That was open community friend, my college, open community. You can select open community as the best option. Okay, we are just a website and just select the checkbox and click the register. That's it. It's really simple. Okay, now we have registered and as you can see, there's now click overview. Okay, we are on the main hackathon page. Please, there is to do. Firstly, go to Discord. Join our Discord. Click the checkbox. After joining, just click this it will open the Discord invitation and join our community, so you can be up to date with everything, resources, helpful resources, tutorials. If you need any help, you can just ping me, ping developers, ping anyone. So we are ready to help you to successfully build your project and submit it. Okay, and also make sure to share the link with your friends so you can hack together. You can share with your university, with our college, with our school, with your friends, classmates, anyone like hackers. So anyone who are interested in participating in the hackathon. So it will be fun. Yeah, basically it will be really fun. Okay, make sure you join the Discord again and then just double check you join the Discord. Okay, now let's watch the trailer. It's super crazy, super cool. Don't miss this opportunity. Just watch it firstly and then dive in the hackathon. Okay.
Welcome to Open Community, making AI uncool again.
Hey, what up everyone?
Open Community, we build open source AI powered projects and tools for people.
We also write comprehensive step-by-step tutorial on those projects and share across socials like LinkedIn, Medium, Dev, and our Discord community. Anyone, beginner, a professional developer, or just a tech enthusiast has a chance to learn how to build real stuff with AI.
You will learn a lot: how to build any project from scratch, integrate different tech and tools, Next.js, React, Tailwind CSS, AI/ML API, 11 labs, Excel, cloud authentication, over 200 different models, how to make it work and deploy, how to film a short promo video, how to film presentation video, show up on Product Hunt, type up on X, how to write convincing script for socials, you name it. Create, innovate, and connect. Join the movement today. We are here to support you every step of the way. Book a call here.
Okay, have you ever thought a music album for startups? It's crazy, you know? You don't imagine like there is an album for startups. It's crazy. There is an album for stuff. You just drop it. AI studio startup album. AI generated, 100% AI generated, lyrics also generated, everything generated. Get access on the Patreon. You can listen to this on YouTube. But this one is crazy. Introduction was, it's crazy.
The chorus is really good.
Kind of, you know, it looks kind of you and you know, there was some music.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, we have just watched the trailer and it was super crazy. Let me know if it was or not. Okay, if you scroll a little down, you can see there the words additional price for all open source projects. What does it mean even? Okay, you build a project, it's cool, and you have submitted successfully before the deadline, so you got a prize. You got your prize. No one will left with empty hands. Everyone gets something. So just participate, build something with AI. It's AI powered. That's cool. Okay, and again, make sure to join our Discord server. Open community. I mean our fam. Open community on Discord server. Everything will be shared. Firstly, there. Updates, tutorials, helpful resources, support. You can also team up with others. There's a separate, specific channels for this, and you can also call me for help and just say anything. There's a link also attached below in the description. Just click and join. Okay, about the requirements. There is only one requirement. Join, build something cool, make something fun, or whatever, like just something AI powered. That's it. About the prizes. So what are the prizes? Well, okay, this is just the beginning. Okay, we have over 63 US dollars in prizes. Some of them will be paid in cryptocurrency. Note this. And also quick spoiler. Call your friends, classmates, share the link with your university on socials everywhere. So more hackers, even bigger prizes. Let's head to 1 million. That's crazy. Okay, for now, there are 4 different categories. But before hackathon starts, we may increase as much as we want. Okay, just call your friends and help us make it big hackathon. Bigger, huge, crazy, fun, whatever. Okay, again, more hackers, even bigger prizes. Note this. Quickly, let's talk about prizes. Okay, you love the Web3, crypto, meme, coins, and etc. Okay, it's your category. Make something cool and win zero point 0.2 Solana, or we can increase even, and make sure it will be paid in crypto. Possibly can be swapped to any other coin if you hate Solana. Okay, it's only for best top 3 Web3 apps. And the next, you love the music, AI music. Go and build something. Music application and win first AI startup studio album, and plus zero point 0.2 Solana. It may be increased, of course, in crypto. So full download and use access X50 tracks. What does it mean? It means 1 track bonus for each project. In total, 30 tracks. All of them super high quality tracks, open community, I am startup. And then anyone who submits any cool project will get access to all my applications, including research, fellowship, different programs, essays, short Q&A, essays, statement of objectives, motivation letter, statement of purpose, and many more. So also there's deep dive applications where the two PhDs will deeply analyze all my written stuff. So you better learn how to write convincing letters, essays, and etc. It's for 12 months access. So to be honest, it's really cool. Actually, guys, just try it. Just submit any cool project. It's so easy. You can just generate, ask ChatGPT to generate, then done. Okay, and the next price, cost of mentorship is 40 US dollars for one person. It's 30 minutes. So I'm giving free mentorship for the top 10 submissions. Open source AI powered projects to any open source AI powered projects. Just use AI, make it open source. That's it. That's it, bro. Okay, you can learn more about your mentor. Link in the description below. And then also there's also one prize for the best productivity and efficiency tool by Apogee, 50 US dollars. What does it mean? 50 US dollars for one project that streamlines and makes existing process or work for more fun and efficient. Can you think of any boring or dull task that people should let AI work instead of human? Can you think about this? Can you imagine this? Just build this. Just build this. Showcase your solution, submit it, and win. That's so easy. 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 Okay, about the resources. If you go or just click on the resource tab, you can see a lot of stuff. Okay, are you cool? Do you like building with AI? Well, come build something cool. Just build. Okay, additional prizes for all open source projects. Make sure to join our Discord, link in the description below. About tools and the technologies, you are allowed to use anything, any AI, any tool, it doesn't matter. Inspiration. You lost, you stuck, you don't know what to build. Okay, don't worry, we have listed few projects here to give you some overall idea, inspiration to quickly build something. For example, intermediate one, I would say AI coding interviewer, or basic one, AI text humanizer that's simply made by manipulating prompt engineering stuff techniques and transforms AI text into human-like. What else? Or you want to integrate some vector database and build something with RAG? Then there is a cool example, chat with PDF, where you upload PDF file, then it embeds content, saves in a vector database, then query and get answer without any AI hallucination and avoid any biased answers, I hope, at least. Okay, and other projects with tutorials you can find on always available on my GitHub. For additional resources, feel free to check out my Medium, dev.to, and YouTube. Twitch, LinkedIn. The most important part. Okay, as of now, we have four judges. The first, the Vladislav Shafari, NML tech lead at Snap with 6+ years of experience in AI, ML, and track record of launching multiple products, reaching 100 million plus engagement. Darshan Kapashi, a software engineer with over a decade of experience at Meta and now as a co-founder of an AI startup. He brings both technical breadth and depth and an entrepreneurial perspective to evaluate all the submitted projects. And third, Begzodis Monov, ex-Accenture application developer, ex-TikTok quality engineer. Okay, and the last but not least, during the hackathon or before or after, if you need any help or guidance, just reach me out on Discord. But first, join open community, link in the description below. And here I can help you out. Don't be nervous, don't be afraid, just do it. It's so easy and you don't need to worry about some stuff. Just build something, just make something. Good luck.